Today, we will explore the inner workings of the Linux shell and learn how it executes commands in the terminal. Imagine you're in a foreign country where you don't speak the language. You have a personal translator who can translate your words into the local language for you. This is what the Linux shell does. It acts as your translator in the world of Linux. When you type ls into your terminal, you ask your shell to list all the files and directories in your current location. The shell takes this ls command, understands your request, and then interacts with the operating system on your behalf. Let's say you're in a busy marketplace in this foreign country. You want to find a specific shop, but so many are around you. You ask your translator to see the best coffee shop. They understand your request and guide you straight to it. In the Linux world, this is like using the cd command to navigate to a particular directory. But what if you want to do something more complex, like finding the best route to visit 3 different shops? You'd give your translator instructions like, first, take me to the coffee shop, then the bookstore, finally the souvenir shop. In Linux, you can give the shell a series of commands, and it will execute them one after the other. This is the power of scripting in the shell. Remember, there are different types of shells in Linux, each with its own set of commands and functions. It's like having different types of translators. The most commonly used shell is bash, but there are others like ksh, tcsh, and zsh. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and you can choose the one that best suits your needs. So remember, you're not alone the next time you use your Linux terminal. You have a powerful assistant, the Linux shell, ready to help you navigate the complex world of your operating system. When you type a command into your Linux terminal, the Linux shell works hard to ensure your commands are executed correctly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.